Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sunanda Gogia, practicing at Happy 2 Dental Clinic, Noida. So friends, whenever I see kids patients, these days I have seen so many patients having lots and lots of cavities in their mouth. Starting from the age 2.5 to 3 till 13, 14, when kids come to my clinic, I see so many teeth involved with cavities. And when I ask the history, parents say, डॉक्टर साहब ये तो कोई चॉकलेट्स नहीं खाता, ये तो टॉफ़ीज़ भी नहीं खाता, चिप्स भी नहीं खाता, फिर इतनी कैविटीज़ क्यों हो रही हैं? सो लेट मी टेल यू माय फ्रेंड्स, कैविटीज़ सिर्फ चॉकलेट्स, चिप्स या टॉफ़ीज़ से नहीं होती है. कैविटीज़ कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स की प्रेजेंस से होती है. कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स होते हैं जो हम खाने में लेते हैं. इट मे बी रोटी, ब्रेड, बटर, एनीथिंग, वट एवर यू ईट, दैट इज़ ऑल द कार्ब्स, द वेजिटेबल्स, वट एवर यू ईट, कुछ भी खाने में फंसेगा, इट लीड्स टू कैविटीज़. सो मोस्टली when kids come to me, they come with pain. So by the time we realize that there was a cavity, they already start having pain, and when parents know about it, we see a lot of cavities in the mouth. First, what has to be done to avoid this? अगर आपका बच्चा चॉकलेट्स, टॉफ़ीज़, चिप्स नहीं खा रहा है, that doesn't mean उसको कैविटीज़ नहीं हो सकती. You have to be careful, parents have to be careful and vigilant about the oral cavity of their kids. How? You have to keep on checking every week or every month, see into their mouth whether there is any cavity or any black spot happening, report to your dentist. Just ask them to brush twice daily. Twice brushing is very important, because if you don't brush at night, all the cavities start happening at night only. So if you are brushing at night, if you're asking your kid to brush at night, just see how they're brushing, see how much time they're giving to brushing. That is all important. It's their parents' duty to check how they are maintaining their oral hygiene. Still, if you have cavities, then you should visit your dentist, because it doesn't mean कि chocolate chips नहीं खाता तो cavities नहीं होंगी. I am reminding you again and again, whatever we eat leads to cavities in mouth. So brushing at night for kids is very, very important. Thank you.